The range of ACB HW+ can be equipped with a Sentinel trip unit. Thanks to the LCD screen embedded in the Sentinel trip units, the settings and the commissioning are therefore quick and easy to do. Before operating, discharge the mainsprings and open the circuit breaker's contacts. Push on, discharge springs. Push off, open the contacts. The indicators must show open and spring discharged. To energize the trip unit, use a power bank and connect it to the USB-C port. Before changing the settings, you can easily visualize them pressing the OK button. In order to change the settings, use a small flat screwdriver to turn the dials. Depending on the type of trip unit, you can adapt the long time delay, short time delay, instantaneous, ground fault and neutral protection settings according to the calculation note.